Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which of the following choices would replace the blank space below? Now here we have given that DEF related to WVU. Then how this IJK means which of the given pair will match to this given IJK. Okay, here we can observe that D is fourth letter from first and W is fourth letter from back. Then E is fifth letter from front and V is fifth letter from end. And F is sixth letter from front and U is sixth letter from end. Like that, if we compare this IJK, now I is the ninth letter from front. So if we see from means reverse alphabets, R is the ninth letter from reverse. Okay, J is the 10th letter from front. So reverse, if we check reverse alphabets, then Q is the 10th letter from reverse and K is the 11th letter from first. So if we compare the 11th letter from reverse, there will be P. Hence, if DEF is related to WVU, then IJK is related to RQP. Okay, so our correct option is option C.